Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to change alarm sound on OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So basically, to change your alarm sound, open up your clock, alarm right here, click on the three dots right here in the right top corner, click on settings and default alarm sound, click on it, and if you want to set a custom, for example a song, you'll need to make sure to have a song in MP3 on your device, so it will appear like this here. You can choose from recordings as well, or basically classic, and here you can choose from classic ringtones that OPPO provides basically. So that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.